Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Arora and I am a student of second year banking and insurance. So my question is to Saurabh Jain. Once after becoming the DR in first year, I would like to have a clarification on this reason of his to again contest for DR. That he gave a resignation in first year after being DR in January or March or February, I don't remember. So what's the reason that you are contesting for DR again?
So first of all, I want to clarify this to Abhay and rest of all. I really don't want to stand DR again because of some issues to Akshay Sharma. Akshay Sharma was our candidate for electing as a DR, but because of age issue, he can't stand. So I am proud of my team of 58 students. They all decided कि Saurabh, you have to do again for the department, as they seen my work throughout the year. Even after resignation, I never stop working for the department, and they know I did and I will, and I was on training time and still coming to department for the department issues only. For one day सुबह आता था, शाम को जाता था, और दिल्ली मेरी ट्रेनिंग थी, फिर भी मतलब 500 रुपये की बस का खर्चा करके, इवन आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग एनी स्टाइपेंड दैट टाइम. आफ्टर 2 months training, they decided to give me stipend, and after that my team gave me responsibility, and I have 4 times more responsibility this year because they chosen me. I didn't offer myself to become a leader.
So you mean to say that there is nobody else in your team who can take this responsibility? No fifth candidate, means Akshay's candidature was cancelled, so you are only the last option again. Is it so?
अक्षय का कैंसिल नहीं हुआ था, पहले ही क्लैरिफाई करना चाहता हूँ. ही कांट फाइल इवन बिकॉज उसकी 25 साल 2 महीने उम्र थी. ही डिडंट फाइल.
Okay.
And we have 9 DRs on backup. Total we have 12 DRs from our team who give the backup, and rest of the all parties still don't have that much capacity to file. And the 9 candidates who filed as a backup, they only decided I have to stand.
Saurabh, Karan and Varun. These are 3 faces we have seen during the counselling as well. Being a fresher, I know this because I attended the second counselling, and first counselling, the second session. And I think Saurabh, Varun and Karan, these are the 3 faces who are always there. We had seen them working throughout. So I can back him up on this.
Are there any counters? Any other questions from the audience?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Hi, my name is Harkamal. I am passed out from this department in 2016 batch. So ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖੇ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੇ NSA ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਫਰੰਟ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਵੰਡੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਐਲੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੁੜੀ ਛੇੜੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਪਿਆ. ਐਂਡ ਮੈਂ ਲਿੰਗਦੋ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਚੈੱਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਦੇ ਸੈਡ ਕਿ ਕੇਸ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ. ਜੇ ਐਲੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਪੋਸਟ ਲਈ ਕੰਟੈਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਈਵਨ ਫॉर द ਫਿਊਚਰ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਲਕੀ ਮੈਮ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਚਾਹੂੰਗਾ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਦੱਸੋਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਪੀਯੂਸ਼ ਬਾਵੇ 'ਤੇ ਕੇਸ ਪਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਲਈ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਆਪਣਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੰਟੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ हैं?
सर हमने ऐसा कोई एलिगेशन नहीं लगाया है किसी पे भी रिगार्डिंग दिस इशू.
मैडम ਦੇ ਹੱਥ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਪੈਂਪਲੇਟਸ ਦੇਖੇ ਸੀ. ਪੈਂਪਲੇਟਸ हैं
Sir, one request from my side.
एक सेकंड वो अपने पहले क्लियर कर ली.
Your language to Hindi or English? Because
हाँ जी, हिंदी में हम बात कर लेते हैं.
या फिर इंग्लिश में
इल्ज़ाम लगाया गया था, तो आप बता सकते हैं पहले उनसे. ये वाला पैम्फलेट था अब जो क्लास में कहते कि स्टूडेंट फ्रंट ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, तो उस पर आंसर्स.
सर एक्चुअली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई सीरियसली डोंट नो कि ये ऐसा एलिगेशन लगा है कि नहीं, और मैं क्लासेस में जाके सिर्फ अपने डिपार्टमेंट की बात की है. आई हैव नॉट एड्रेस्ड एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी रिगार्डिंग दिस.
मेरे ख्याल आपकी पार्टी ने शायद डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया होगा ये वाला पैम्फलेट. इसी डिपार्टमेंट पास आउट है. हाँ जी, आपकी पार्टी ने शायद पैम्फलेट, ये शायद आपकी पार्टी ने किया था पैम्फलेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, या सोई ने करा?
काउंटर क्वेश्चन.
फिर सोई ने करा होगा.
नहीं, इसके हाथ में है, आप जिस पार्टी को.
चलो नहीं है, क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, सॉरी.
I think that's written that we know for the first time a major student party, NSUI has nominated a girl Sia for the post of PUCSC president.
मतलब ये NSCOI नहीं शायद।
I am quite happy with NSUI's decision, but a major chunk of disappointment came from SOE. So I guess, yeah. So, NSUI. Do you have any counter for that, sir?
Sorry फिर कंफ्यूज हो गए, वो NSCOI 2 है ना।
Sir, please no counter questions. Any other questions from the audience?
मैम आई हैव प्रूफ्स ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स जो हमारी तरफ से फाइल किए गए थे एंड 11 कैंडिडेट्स वर फाइल्ड एज अ डीआर कैंडिडेट.
The whole list has been put up on the notice board. We can tell you, we can bring the students to you, and they were backups. And he's right, there were 12 candidates as our backup. So there is this allegation is totally wrong that we didn't have another candidate.
Excuse me, I would like to add on to Harkamal's question. It was written NSUI, just NSUI.
So he's from NSUI SF, right?
Yeah, I am from Student Front.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, that there are Student Fronts
Can we get
not
an
written
answer
anywhere.
for this thing from anyone who wants to answer?
I don't think they are putting allegations. So let's just ask another question from the audience. Anybody? Yeah.
मैम बीइंग अ फ्रेशर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. जैसे कि हम यूनिवर्सिटी में आते हैं तो इस टाइम जब हम आए तब से ही कैंपेनिंग वगैरह मतलब स्टार्ट थी, क्योंकि अब इलेक्शंस आने वाले थे. अपार्ट आई एम नॉट सपोर्टिंग एनी पार्टी, बट स्टिल अपार्ट फ्रॉम सोई पार्टी, एसओई पार्टी, मेरे को दूसरी पार्टीज़ के कोई भी मतलब कह सकते जो भी कैंडिडेट्स खड़े होने थे उनमें से किसी में इतनी यूनिटी नहीं दिखी कि वो पूरी की पूरी पार्टी के लिए वोट मांग सकें. दे वर आस्किंग वोट फॉर देयर इंडिविजुअल सीट. मतलब अगर पार्टी में खुद में यूनिटी नहीं है तो वो डिपार्टमेंट के लिए या फिर यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए मेरे अकॉर्डिंग कैसे काम करेंगे, ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
Can I add to it as well?
Yeah.
So you said besides
You're not going to debate him.
No, not going to debate. I'm just going to make the question a little more bigger. You said besides, so is the only one. So is the only one, right?
मैं अपने बारे में जो मेरे पास पार्टी आई
So that's
वो मेरे
same,
पास
Let the candidates
I have a
answer.
same question for the, right, the fellow in front. That you said you had 11 or 12 backups?
Yes.
So were you just trying to fill that seat because representative is somebody who needs to understand the department well enough? You had backup of a backup of a backup of a I can't say that 11 times, right? So what's the whole game? Was it just to fill the seat because you needed somebody?
First question, I guess.
Yeah, no, I'll answer that. Even though I'm a fresher, but I want to answer this question. See, there were three backups for each candidate. Okay, and I think there were two more people who approached us, and they said that we want to be the DRs. Okay, so there was a small meeting after filing the nominations. Okay, the same day there was a small meeting. And I think the collective group of SOE, I think, which is the biggest in this department, joining the seniors and the juniors, I think there were 50 people, I guess, 50 people, sorry?
58.
Yeah, 58 people were there. And I think we had a small meeting. We were the ones who decided, out of those 12 candidates, we decided that Harman, Saurabh and Varun, these were the
My
three.
name wasn't there. Rishabh.
Yeah, sorry, Rishabh. These three names were there, okay? Out of these three, at first we decided that Varun would be the candidate. Because of some problem in the paperwork, Varun couldn't contest. At last, we thought that this would be the best option for the party, for the support, for the votes, that we should get Saurabh. And it's of course that he has done so much hard work. He has been the ex-DR, he has so much experience. We have a super experienced person, we have an experienced senior, and we have a junior who is in hope of getting the votes and for doing the work after elections. So this is our team, and we have always went to each and every class. All three we have been united enough to approach the people and vote for and ask the votes for all three of us. That is what I'm talking about.
That's
Can
a
I
very
say
good
something?
answer, yeah. I mean,
No counter questions, sir.
but then
Please,
what's the
please.
point of doing all this if there are no counters?
It's the debate is supposed to be.
But then there were just 3. What about the remainder 8?
Yeah, okay. DR is a very good experience for everyone. So Saurabh, shouldn't you? I think you should think that you have already gained that experience. You should have, encourage the other person to elect the position.
यहाँ पे शायद 58 बच्चों में से शायद 20 बच्चे तो खड़े हैं, 20 जो उस मीटिंग में थे. शायद मैंने उस दिन अपना नाम खुद ही कटवाया था. ठीक है, मैंने कहा था मैं आई डोंट वांट, बट दे एनफोर्स मी कि हमें 6 महीने काम सीखने में लग जाए. तूने सीखा सिखाया है तो तू दोबारा खड़ा हो. हम तेरी प्लेसमेंट भी हो चुकी है, तुझे करना क्या पढ़ के या जो भी है, तो तू ही दोबारा लड़. इवन हरमन वाज देयर, गौरव वाज देयर, आयुष, अक्षय, शिवम एंड ऑल.
तो you should have said ना कि तुम खड़ो तो मैं तुम्हें सपोर्ट करूँगा.
I told them, even I told Varun, Rishabh and Harman also. I told them कि I don't want
I need to back his answer. This guy.
Even when I was finalized from them, really switch off my phone for whole one day, and they can't even find me out कि मैं हूँ कहाँ, because I don't want to fight.
Can I back you? If you're saying that कि ये एक way है experience gain करने का, this guy has been working selflessly. Instead of being selfish, we should rather consider student welfare for the thing which we are here. Don't you think so? We should be focused on student welfare. That is our sole motive. Instead of being selfish and saying that this is a way I can gain experience. Yeah, sure.
अगर वो खड़ा होना ही नहीं चाहता, इसका मतलब वो whole heartedly work करना ही नहीं चाहता.
वो खड़ा होना नहीं चाहता.
Means simple है, as simple. If उसने कहा कि मैं contest नहीं करना चाहता, means you wholeheartedly he does not want to be a DR.
मैं ये कहीं भी डिनाई नहीं किया कि मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता. मैंने कहा तुम खड़े हो, I will support you. मैंने एक बार भी ये चीज़ नहीं कही कि मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to contest. and उसके बाद फिर उन्होंने ये कहा कि तू दोबारा खड़ा हो, तेरे पास एग्जीक्यूटिव डीआर बनने का चांस है, तो तू उसके लिए ट्राई करियो. डीआर तो हो गया, बट अगर तू काम करना ही चाहता है वहाँ पे खड़ा होकर एग्जीक्यूटिव डीआर के लिए ट्राई करियो, तो तेरे पास वो भी चांस है. उससे पहले एक हमारा जूनियर है सचित, इसको हमने तब अपने डीआर कैंडिडेट के टीम में लेके आए जब इसको हमने हर चीज़ एक से एक बता दी. उसके बाद इसको कहा अब एक्सेप्ट करके बता, डू यू वांट टू एक्सेप्ट. शायद जितनी चीज़ें इसको पता होगी, यहाँ पे जितने सीनियर्स बैठे हैं, आई कैन बेट इट आउट कि उतना इनको पता भी नहीं होगा कि डिपार्टमेंट में होता काम कैसे.
I would like to back him up. If you say कि वो मना कर रहा है डीआर खड़े होने के लिए, तो वो काम नहीं करेगा. Would you like to deny this fact कि मैंने पिछले साल कोई काम नहीं किया? Would you deny that?
मैंने कहा ही नहीं आपने नहीं किया.
मेरे पास तो डीआर की पोजीशन नहीं थी, मैंने काम क्यों किया?
But मेरे पास भी नहीं थी, मैंने भी किया.
फिर ये कैसे कह सकते हैं अगर वो कह रहे हैं कि मैं डीआर नहीं बनाना चाहता तो वो काम नहीं करेगा. There should be a backup, there should be a proper point कि खड़ा होना ना होना.
We are in a team.
अब खड़ा होना ना होना काम ना करना ये गलत है. हाँ सर.
अगर मेरा मन नहीं है कि मैं कंटेस्ट नहीं करना चाहता, इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं काम नहीं करना.
उसका मतलब है कि मैं इलेक्शंस में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होना चाहता. उसने ये नहीं कहा कि मैं काम नहीं करना चाहता.
और हमारी टीम का जो डिसीजन होता है वो सबका होता है.
सर आप ये तो मानेंगे यहाँ पर हर कोई सीखने आता है. वी आर हियर टू लर्न. आपने अभी बोला कि आपने काम सीख लिया, आपको ये नहीं लगा कि आपको दूसरे को चांस देना चाहिए कि वो भी सीखे?
यार सेम क्वेश्चन बारी बारी आ रहा है. मैम हमारी पार्टी पे या किसी पे भी एलिगेशन लगी थी कि हमने प्रासनिक में फंड्स का प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन नहीं किया. तो मैम आई वांट टू आस्क जसरूप की व्हाट पार्ट्स डिड शी डिड इन द प्रासनिक, एंड इफ शी डिड द एनी पार्ट does he have any she has any proof that we haven't used funds properly?
I was a participant in Prasnik. I did not, I did not indulge into all the activities that were, that took place for the organization. So this year I decided that I have to work for the department. I'm a very shy girl. People are talking that ये तो बहुत introvert है. How will she contest election? So अगर कोई introvert है, a person is shy, that doesn't mean कि he or she won't work. Alright. Even Manmohan Singh, he's a very introvert guy. He's running the country. He was the prime minister. So there is no as such issue that an introvert person cannot contest election or work for the department. I put in my 100% effort.
My question is regarding using the funds. I am not asking you are introvert or extrovert.
Ma'am, I have the question.
Please, we want the answer.
Let her answer.
फंड्स यूटिलाइज नहीं हुए थे. इन्होंने लास्ट टाइम जो प्रासनिक हुआ था, जो एंड मोमेंट तक द सेलिब्रिटीज वर नॉट गिवन द पेमेंट, और द डायरेक्टर्स प्रोवाइडेड सम मनी टू देम. So I'll make sure that these funds are utilized. There is no middleman in the funds that will come to our department. The input will directly go to the output. I'll make sure that.
Funds were insufficient. Funds were not misused. That's what we meant. Funds were insufficient. And you speaking about that the funds were misused. With all due respect, I've been the affairs coordinator for Prasnik. I know what all has been happening throughout. It's been a baby child and we've seen things so far. So again, re-quoting his question, funds were misused or funds, we did not have enough funds for Prasnik. Your answer, madam.
I'd like to add to that question. Would you also be aiming at getting more funds in the department since if there are inadequate
I'll
funds?
make sure that whatever reputation UBS has, alright, I'll make sure that I go to and I'll support each and everyone that comes with me to the
हमारे पे allegation लगा है कि
our department gets more funds. Our department is a self-financed.
So you're basically saying that the funds were inadequate,
yeah,
and not misused.
I think the funds were inadequate as well as they were misused. As well as they were misused, the funds
Can you
went to
provide
the pocket.
proof if you you're saying that.
Yes, yes, I have. Ma'am, actually.
पूछेगा क्वेश्चन जिन्होंने एलिगेशन लाई है
Ma'am, I am also the.
But you're not contesting, you're giving them the.
So
Now, just a question, single question. There was an allegation on us. We were a part of a team. I was given responsibilities. It was an allegation on whole team, not just me. It was a clear allegation. People have been coming up to us asking. There's an allegation from such and such organization that funds were misused. The funds were not properly used. Now you're saying it's a rumor. That means you're promoting rumors in the department.
And
Is it
one
that-
more thing I'm adding to it. पहले इनसे ये पूछा जाए कि यहाँ पे चेक्स कौन साइन करता है डिपार्टमेंट के डेट से
the directors.
there is a signing authority for signing the text. Who is the
साइनिंग अथॉरिटी के टीचर का नाम बता दो मुझे डिपार्टमेंट
उनको नहीं
वही बात
उनको पूछा है
So how can you allegate us for not being?
Question is for Sachin. As far as I remember, you were earlier contesting towards from NSUI, from your previous college. What made you come towards SUD?
See, I graduated from SGGS College, Sector 26, and for second year, first of all, I'd like to point out, I don't have a background for politics. My family is not involved in any parties. It was my own decision during those times, and I think we were with NSUI, we were the ones who brought NSUI into Khalsa College, and I think after a year, we won with an alliance with SOPU. And I think we weren't really happy with the working. The leaders from university didn't even approach the leaders in our college. I think I was the only student leader roaming around in my own campus without any other university or other poster leaders. See, that is why I'm quoting the poster leaders. That is why.
No, but as far as I can see, we had word about that, right? Since till the last stage,
Yes,
you said that you would be contesting from NSUI 2 and from SOI 2, both together, and then suddenly you gave it towards SOI without even letting NSUI know. Why?
Okay. First of all, I never ever said this that I'll be contesting from both the parties. That's clear stupidity. Because I cannot know how can you contest from both the parties. Okay.
If I could have recorded it, I could.
You can if you have the recording, please show me that.
If I could have recorded it, because it's not
I'll clear this simple point. See, I tried to approach NSUI, okay, because I had contacts with them. Okay, there were leaders who already knew me. Manpreet Singh Sandhu, okay, he already knew me. Even he tried to approach me. I asked them that why should I join your party? They didn't have a clear answer. Neither. Then after a while, when I saw there were videos being getting viral that there have been fights between NSUI versus NSUI, and then there was a division between NSUI. Both the leaders from Student Front and from NSUI, both of them tried to approach us, me and my friends, all of them, but they didn't have an answer why I should support them. And it is pretty obvious. I knew Karan, I knew Saurabh, and I knew how hardworking these people are. I was more towards a work-oriented group. That was what I was getting from these people.
Okay, so you just wanted.
So I guess we had an interesting debate with everybody putting in their points. This is PU Mirror bringing you the coverage of the elections 24/7. I'm Vanchika Fotada with Himanshu Sharma and Apurva. Thank you.